Hello, and welcome to this English conversation practice video. Today we will be practicing an essential real-life situation, ordering food at a restaurant. Role-playing is a great way to practice English conversation because it helps you build confidence, improve fluency, and learn useful vocabulary. In this video, you will be the customer, and I will guide you through a role-play conversation at a casual restaurant. You will practice ordering food, asking questions, and engaging in polite conversation with the server. You can listen and repeat after me, or speak along with me to practice shadowing. Let's get started. Imagine you walk into a cozy, casual restaurant. It's a nice place with a warm atmosphere, soft music playing in the background, and a friendly server ready to assist you. I will play the role of the server. You will play the role of the customer. As we go through the conversation, I will leave pauses for you to respond. Now, let's begin the role play. Hello, welcome to Bella's Cafe. How can I help you today? A table for one? Sure, please follow me. Here's your table. Would you like to sit by the window or near the counter? Great choice. Here's the menu. Our specials today are grilled salmon and creamy mushroom pasta. Would you like to hear more about them? Wonderful. Take your time looking at the menu. Let me know when you're ready to order. Would you like something to drink? We have coffee, tea, fresh juice, and soft drinks. A lemonade? That's a great choice. Would you like it with ice or without? Got it. I'll bring your drink right away. Have you decided what you'd like to eat? The grilled salmon? Excellent choice. Would you like a side of salad or mashed potatoes with that? Great. Would you like to add an appetizer or a dessert? Perfect. I'll place your order now. It should be ready in about 15 minutes. Is this your first time visiting our cafe? Oh, that's great. We hope you enjoy your meal. By the way, we have a new menu with some exciting dishes. Would you like any recommendations for next time? I recommend the seafood pasta. It's one of our most popular dishes. How is everything? Is your meal to your liking? I'm so glad to hear that. Let me know if you need anything else. Would you like anything else? Maybe a dessert or a cup of coffee? No? All right. Would you like the bill now? Here you go. You can pay by cash or card. How would you like to pay? Thank you. Here's your receipt. Have a wonderful day, and we hope to see you again soon. Here are some key phrases and words from today's role play. Table for one, please. I'll have the grilled salmon. Can I get a lemonade with ice? What do you recommend? The food is delicious. Can I have the bill, please? I'd like to pay by card. Practice these phrases several times to improve your pronunciation and fluency. Great job! You've just practiced a full restaurant conversation in English. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in real-life situations. If you enjoyed this role play, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out other English conversation practice videos. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this conversation practice and found it helpful, please give us a thumbs up, share with friends, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice. Don't forget to hit the bell so you never miss a lesson. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.